How account verification works at UpTrade. At UpTrade, account verification is designed to be simple, secure, and seamless. When you sign up, your details are securely processed and verification begins right away. Your identification documents are checked using industry-standard security measures to confirm your identity and ensure everything meets regulatory requirements. You'll also be asked to provide proof of address, which is quickly confirmed against your registered details. In most cases, verification is completed promptly, so you can get started without unnecessary delays. Once approved, you'll receive a confirmation email welcoming you to UpTrade and introducing you to your dedicated broker, who's there to support you if needed. These checks are part of the Know Your Customer, or KYC process, a standard requirement designed to protect you and maintain a secure trading environment. With strong verification standards in place, UpTrade gives you a safe and reliable way to trade crypto with confidence. UpTrade, your expert crypto broker.